I go through. Sisters, you see where me I go through. You see the pain just a cut through. But me have to make it out not true. Some people don't have a clue. Sometimes I cry in solitude till me face get black and blue. Me not lie, my brother, I'm missing you. What you want me to do? And your mother miss you too. We can't do this without you. My brother. Since your past and gone, can't stay focused, can't stay calm. Them say life goes on, but me still can't believe say your blood clot gone. I got you now, so I got you now. Kick off every door, I just got you now. So I got you now. Oh, me make it all them one now. And I'm so I got you now. I got you now. No one knows my struggle, no one knows my pain. Since my brother passed, I don't be the same. Losing weight instead of gain. Jah know what I'ma do, so me not complain. Stay focused, have to maintain. Although my brain I run like Usain, although it a mash up like Ukraine. Still militant. Me and my brother used to live in the same house, used to wear the same clothes, sleep on the same bed, cause it's only one room. Go down and miss more. Watch cartoon, memories are passed through. Brother, I'm missing you. Yes, I'm missing you. And your sisters miss you too. What am I supposed to do? When I swear me, I got you now. Swear me, I got you now. Kick off every door, I just got you now. Swear me, I got you now. Oh, me make it all them one now. And I swear me, I got you now. When me, I got you now. Platnum Starr to the world, you know. I'm here, so my brother. My brother.